Hi, Lyle McVay, sales consultant with MarineMax Dallas. I've been selling boats in South Louisiana and the DFW market for approximately 15 years. And I learned something new in the boating industry every day, and I look forward to passing some of that information on to you. Here at MarineMax, we carry many top brands. We have the Harris Pontoons, we have Sea Ray and Aviara cruisers and sport boats. We also carry Boston Whaler fishing boats and Azimut and Galeon Yachts. At MarineMax Louisville, we're here to take care of you. From our professional business office that handles all your paperwork and financing options, to our factory-trained service technicians that'll take care of your boat both here and on the water. Also, our awesome pro shop that has all the accessories you'll need for a great day on the water. Again, my name is Lyle McVay. Let's get together and select your perfect boat. You can come by our showroom or reach me at 682-800-3939. I look forward to speaking with you soon.